In this video, we are going to talk about how you can send Google Mail from your local account to any other Gmail ID with the easiest way. So let's get started. So first go to plugin and add plugins. Here type SMTP. There are a few most popular ones like WP Mail, Post SMTP, Fluent and Easy. These are the 4 popular ones, but I'll suggest you to go with the Fluent SMTP one. So click on install. Click on active. Now go to settings and here you will find Fluent SMTP. Now out of all these connection providers, I will suggest you to go with the Bravo one. So click on Bravo. And for using this, you need to create account on the bravo.com. So we need to create account, sign up with Google. Now you have to click your name and surname, last name, and company name, website name. I don't have website if you are currently in the localhost company name XYZ. Address, my address, I think you should put anything you want. This does not verify anything. So don't worry about that. But I prefer you to put your real address. And now how many people are in your team? 0 to 1. Click anything else, it does not verify. Obviously, we need to just as fast as possible create this account and get the API keys. Let's wait for it to be load. Now go down and select free. Okay, so you get 300 mails per day. Now get API keys. Yeah, click here to generate API key. You can name it WordPress Amelia because you can use with Amelia extension or any other WordPress form or etc. Copy these API keys and paste it here. Now you need to enter your email from which you want to send email to other Gmails and your name which will be appear on that email. So we just type in now save connection settings, and yes, it is created. Let's test the mail from we need to and send to test it. We are going to send mail to ourselves only. You can send to any other contacts mail also, but we are going to test it for ourselves. And Gmail sent successfully. Let us see that it does this right now. And yes, this is working. So